Good evening, everyone. Good evening, students. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond in the chat. Yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, yes, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our last class. That is Saturday session. So, guys, by Saturday, we completed discussing about constructors. So we had covered a lot of concepts. We know what is a constructor, what are the rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing a constructor. How many types of constructors are there? Like two types, default constructor and parameterized constructor. What are the important key points which we need to keep in mind whenever we are dealing with constructors? All these particular concepts we had covered by Saturday. So today we are going to start with one more new topic, guys. Operators. So in general, there are mostly we will be using these four operators are there. In Java, mainly there are four operators: increment and decrement operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Just let me try to keep a small side heading here. Operators. Okay. So yes, when we are speaking about operators, mainly there are four types of operators are there. First one, boys, please listen. Right. First one, increment or decrement operator. Second one, arithmetic operators. Third one, relational operators. Finally, last one is logical operators. Now, today we will be discussing only about increment or decrement operators. The concept may seem very simple, but by the end of our today's session, you'll understand how complex this concept is. Okay, first, increment operator. So in increment operators, when you're speaking about increment operators, there are two types of increment operators are there. Pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment and post-increment. Exactly in the same manner, decrement operator is also of two types. Like pre-decrement and post-decrement. Decrement operator is also of two types: pre-decrement and post-decrement. Now, guys, a small thing. Actually, today I'm not feeling well. So I'll be going with a little bit slowly. I hope it's okay for everyone. Okay, right. So decrement operator, we'll be discussing. Okay, there are two types of decrement operators are there: pre-decrement and post-decrement. Okay. Now, when you are speaking about increment operator, plus plus. Increment operator means plus plus. Decrement operator means minus minus. So if we are using increment operator, one value will be added per int. For example, int a equal to 10. If we are using increment operator, a value will be updated to 1, means 11. 10 plus 1, 11. If you are using decrement operator, a value will be subtracted, like from that a value, one value will be subtracted, minus minus. As simple as this. Means, for example, just let me try to have a simple program here. Let me come to my class A. Okay. Okay. Now, please observe int a equal to 10, right? Void method 1. Now, system.out.println a. I'll do one thing. Just let me try to make it as a local variable. Guys, I believe you remember how many types of variables are there? 3 types: instance, static, local. So this is a local variable a plus plus, and now system.out.println a. Now let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, if I'm trying to create an object, new class A dot method 1, new class A dot, I'll do one thing, guys. Let me just try to have a reference here, please. Equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, and I'll just try to call AOBJ dot method 1 like this. Now, could you please tell me what is my output here? What is my output? 10 and 11. Right click, run as Java application. 10 and 11. Very simple. This is increment operator. Increment operator means we just need to add one number. Decrement operator means we just need to decrement, that is subtract one number. For example, here a minus minus, and after that system.out.println a. So here our output will be 10. Here our output will be 11, and here our output will be, what is your output? Here, what is your output? Are you sure? Right click, run as Java application. We will be getting our output like this. So this is increment and decrement operator. Very simple. Sir, this is very simple, but you said it is a little bit complex. Okay. Let us start with the code. Void, let me go with like method 2. Void method 2. Please concentrate, guys. Void method 2. Here I'm just trying to take int x equal to 10. System.out.println x plus plus x plus plus system.out.println plus plus x. Now SYSO, just a small line, and then AOBJ dot method 2. Now if I execute my program, what is my output? Take a minute time, please. Take a minute time. Take a minute time, please. Discuss. 11. I'm executing my program. Right click, run as Java application. 10, 12. How? But we are using increment operator. This is exactly what I said. Guys, increment and decrement operator, this concept may seem very simple, but literally it is very complex. So please observe it clearly. when you are speaking about increment operator, how many types of increment operators are there? Two types. What are those? Pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means before accessing the value of a variable, before accessing the value of a variable, we will be trying to increment that value. Pre-increment. Post increment means after accessing the value will be incremented. For example, this is which increment? Pre-increment or post increment? Post increment. Guys, please observe. System dot out dot println x. What is x value? So 10 will be printed in the console. After accessing x value, after printing x value, we are incrementing it. So what is this increment known as? Post increment. So 10 will be printed in the console. That's okay. But after executing line number 17, after executing line number 17, x value will be 11. After executing line number 17, x value will be 11. Okay. Now system dot out dot println plus plus. Before accessing x value, we are trying to increment x value. What is x value? Incrementing, 11 plus 1 means, so in the console, you will be getting 12. And after executing line number 18, could you please tell me what is x value? 12 only. So that is one reason 10 and 12. Did you understand this? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? That is good. That is good. That is good. Okay. Now, once again, I'm explaining you, Mohammed and Sharath. Once again, I'm explaining you. Please check this. Please check this. For example, okay, Fatima, you're saying in line number 17, it should be 10. Yes, in line number 17, x value is 10 only. That is exactly what we are getting here. After printing 10, the value got incremented. So in the console, x value will be 10, but actually what is x value? It will be 11. Okay. For example, guys, please tell me right now what is x value? Okay. Now system dot out dot println x. What is my output here? Come on. Right click, run as Java application. My output will be 12. Okay. Now please check this. System dot out dot println minus minus x. Now tell me what is my output? My output here will be 11. And what is x value? Come on, what is x value? X value is also 11 only, guys. This is which decrement? The decrement. Okay. For example, system dot out dot println x minus minus. Now tell me what is my output? In my console, 11. What is x value? Exactly. Means right now, system dot out dot println x. Now tell me what is my output here? Right click, run as Java application. We will be getting our output like this. See, 10, 12. Here also 12. After that, 11, 11, and 10. Is this clear, guys? Okay, okay. Now, just let me try to, okay. Let me go with one more method. Okay. Void method 3. Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Online students, up to now, is it clear? I'm waiting. Please respond. Up to now. Mohammed, Sharath. Yes. Himanshu. Anita, I hope it's clear. All right, guys. All right. All right. That's very good. Once again, guys, right now, I'm going to give you a task. Please observe. Please observe. Int, let me go with like I equal to 15. Please wait. Please wait. Okay. I equal to 15. System dot out dot println plus I. System dot out dot println I plus I plus I. System dot out dot println minus. No, let me go with like I minus system dot out dot println. Let me go with like I minus syso plus I and I minus syso. Just let me try to go with minus I syso. Just let me try to go with like I and just one last thing I plus I plus I plus minus I system dot out dot println I minus I. Now, if you are giving the correct output for this method 3, close. You are perfect. Please have this program first. Please have this program. Let me just try to copy, paste aobj dot method 3. Okay. Now, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Write the program. Sheikh, you're asking, sir, why should we need to give 2 plus for increment? Why can't we give a single plus? Right. Nagur, single plus is for arithmetic operations. Like if you want to add, we need to use single plus. If you want to increment, we need to go with 2 plus. That is increment operator. Please have this program. Why today's strength is less? Pongal. Use shortcuts, please. Okay. Please use shortcuts. Asnam, first continue the program. Later, I'll try to scroll it up. Please continue the program, Mama. Use shortcuts, guys, please. Feel free to use shortcuts. Please take the task seriously. I want everyone to please write the code. Make sure you're writing the code, please. Use shortcuts. SOSO. Don't completely write system.out.println. It will take ages. That's the code. Don't discuss. Try to write it by your own first. Just try to write it by your own. How much you can write it? Just check it once, please. Oh, just a sec. Just a sec. All right. So let me check my online students outputs also. Don't repeat the outputs, guys. Okay. Online students, please don't repeat the outputs. Yes, Shubham, Suraj. Most of the people are wrong, guys. But it's okay. No problem. Okay. It's okay. No issues. All right, guys. I'm showing you the output. Please check the output for method 3. Right click, run as Java application. Show view console. This is the output. 16, 16, 19, 18, 18, 16, 16, 16, 17, 18, 18, and 17. This is the output. How many of you got correct output? Raise your hand. Down, down, down. That's okay. How many of you got wrong output? Please raise your hands. Please, please, please. Down, down. That's exactly what I said, guys. But let me try to explain this for once again. Okay. After explaining this, again, I'll be trying to give you one more task. Okay. Now, please observe. Please observe. Right. So, I value 15. Right. System.out.println plus plus. What is this increment? Pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. Pre-increment means before accessing I value, we are trying to increment it. So here in the output, you will be getting your output as 16 and I value is also 16. Pre-increment, guys. Yes or no? Okay. System.out.println I. Just I. What is I value? That is exactly which will be printed in the console. And after that, I value will be incremented to 17. I equal to 17. First I, what is I value? 16 will be printed. And after that, after executing line number 29, after executing line number 29, I value will be incremented to 17. Am I clear with this? Online students, kindly please respond. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? Ganesh, is this point clear? Is this point clear? Right. Ganesh, if you are cleared in this point, you will understand why 10 is getting printed in that question. Okay. Right. Right. Now, guys, please, I value after executing line number 29, after executing line number 29, I value will be 17. Okay. Line number 30. After executing line number 30, guys, actually at line number 30, either pre-increment or post-increment, we will not be having any impact in the output. We will not be having any impact in the output. Why? Because we are just incrementing it. We are not accessing the value. Am I right or wrong? So after line number 30, I value will be 18. Okay. After line number 39, I value will be I value will be 19. Okay. So right now at line number 32. Okay. Please tell me what is I value? That is exactly what it will be printed. And after that, after executing line number 32, I value will be 18. Post decrement. Post decrement. Now please tell me 18 and I value will be again 17. Now tell me. Now tell me. I value is 17, but here I'm using pre-increment. So 18 will be printed and actually I value is also 18. Now tell me, after executing line number 35, what is I value? Perfect. Now tell me, what is the output in the console? 16. What is I value? 16. Fantastic. Now tell me, what is the output here? 16. And I value is also 16. So after 18, 2 times 16 and 16. Okay. After that, again, system.out.println I. What is I value? 16 and it will be incremented to 17. And again, system.out.println I. 17 will be printed. 17 will be printed. And after that, I value will be incremented to 18. And now again, 18 will be printed. And then I value will be incremented to 19. And finally, when you're speaking about here, yes, I value will be 18. And here yes, 18 will be printed. Yes, 18 will be printed. And then I value will be decremented to 17. And exactly that's what we are trying to print. As simple as this. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, right. Ready for one more task? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Please have this program. Please have this program. Because it is increment, Mahesh. You should listen. When I'm explaining, you should listen, please. Just let me try to go with ARGS. You know, we can write S also, right? We'll not be having any problem here. Just good. Most of the people generally they will be getting confused for this program. So take a minute time, think correctly, and then answer. All right. So guys, when I'm checking my offline students outputs, only one person gave me the correct output. Only one person. Only one person. Good job. Nice. Let me show you the output. In almost 300 students, right click, run as online students. Online students. Actually, most of the people gave me wrong answers. Dinesh, that is correct. Sania, that is good. Ganesh, Abhiram, Lakshmikant. Yeah, good guys. Good, good. Some people gave me correct outputs. That is good. That is good. That is good. Now, how? How we are getting 2, 3, 4, 1? Very simple. Guys, these are which variables, by the way? Come on, come on. I'm sorry. Local variables. Okay. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, int C and D. C. Okay. C equal to, come on, plus B means after completing line number 11, what is B value? You are incrementing here, guys. You are incrementing here. So B value will be incremented to 3. Okay. Now D equal to A. What is A value? After executing line number 12, A value will be updated to which increment? Pre-increment or post-increment? So after executing line number 13, C value will be A value 2, B value 3, C value 4, D value 1. Told you. Increment and decrement operators concept is very simple. It may seem very simple, but in interview we can squeeze with this particular topic. Ready for one more task? That's good. That's good. All right. All right. Go ahead. Please have this program. Come on. Please have this. Afros, please make sure you are having a proper internet connection. I request you, please have a proper internet connection. That's exactly what I explained just now. How D value is 1. Pre or post increment? Check that. If you're not having a proper internet connection, please come to offline. Most of the time, people will be giving me wrong answers for this question. So take time and analyze, please. That's the code. Come on, scroll down. Okay. So in this program, I mixed previous concepts also. You already know how to return a value from a method, how to use a value which is returned from a method also. You already know that. I'm just using mixing 2 to 3 concepts in one single program. So just follow the basics. Just follow the basics. Only the basics. Enough. Line by line, statement by statement. Whenever you are having an equal to, please start analyze it from the right side. Pre-increment and post-increment, use it correctly. That's it. That's the code. Completed writing. Come on, guys. Seriously, if you are giving the correct output for this means perfect. Take time. Don't give me fast output. Give me correct output. Again, I'm scrolling from the first. If you miss any point, once again, don't give me fast output. Take time. Take time. Most of the time, people will be doing mistake here. All right. All right. All right. So guys, I'll be showing you the output right now. I'll be showing you the output right now. The task which I'm trying to give to you is you should understand by tomorrow how we are getting that output. That is the task. Tomorrow, I will ask. If you want me to explain, then I'll explain this program tomorrow. But before going that, I want you to analyze. Can you please do that for me? Right click, run as Java application, and the output is check in the Eclipse. Check in the Eclipse. Check in the Eclipse. Is it okay? Right, right, right. Please check in the Eclipse, guys. Please check in the Eclipse. Please check in the Eclipse. All right, all right. Now, so once again, I'm showing you the program. I'm just showing the program. If you miss anything, please observe it correctly. Right. Okay. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. So please check it. Please check it and do let me know by tomorrow. Okay. All right. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. Check in Eclipse. Syed Alam, Syed Bashar.